Alhamdulillah, assalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope and pray that you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to do the next lesson of Let's Learn Arabic Grammar. And the lesson number is 54, and today we are going to cover two topics. So this is part 1 of lesson 54, and in today's session, we are going to cover two topics. The first one is how to translate the sentences with kana wa akhwatuha, and the second topic is negating the sentences with the kana and its sisters. So far, from lesson 52, we did the introductory lesson for kana wa akhwatuha, then we did the conjugation, then in lesson 53, we did the irregular structure, sentence structure, and then the complex sentences. And now today's topic is how to translate the sentences with kana or its sisters. And the unit number for this topic is 10.5 in Dream Book, right? So let's see how we translate sentences with either kana or its sisters. So we know that kana sentences are grammatically regarded as Jumla Ismiya. But since these words, kana or its sisters, are af'al, fail, action words, so in terms of translation, we do the translation of these sentences like jumla failure. So as what we do in translating the jumla failure, first we say the doer, the file, the doer of the action, and then the fail, and then the details, right? So over here, what we are going to do, since the file in these sentences, in kana sentences, the file is the file is ismu kana. So first we are going to write the ismu kana, then the fail naqis, and then the khabar or mutaliq bil khabar. So, these sequences, like whether fail naqis comes first or khabar or mutaliq bil khabar comes next, this is interchangeable. But the sentence starts with the ism of kana, not the fail of kana, right? So the sentence starts with the doer of kana, which is called ismu kana. So this is this sequence is for English translation. Okay, so let's do some examples. So kana maridan. In kana, what do we have? In kana, we have both fail naqis, which is kana, and the hidden doer, which is huwa. Hidden doer, which is huwa, and huwa is its ism. So how we are going to translate the ismu kana? Huwa is he. Hold on, let me. Huwa. Oh, huwa means he, and then the then what is the fail kana? Was, right? Kana means he was. Then he was maridan, sick. He was sick. So this is the sequence of translation when we do English translation. Okay. So then the same way, kana, he was poor. Then kana, again, he was among, we can say from jins, but if we use among the from or from, among is also good, among jins, or from among jins, but yeah. So then the next one, kanu is they were. Khasirin, losers. So they were losers. Then fa, you know fa is atafa. So asbahu, they became they became losers. And then the next one, Laisa. Laisa is past tense, but you know when Laisa is there, we translate it in present tense. Laisa zakaru, the male is not like kalunsa, like female. Okay, then we have kana, so it means they both, right? Because it's a dual past tense dual form. So they both. Yakulani eat. We can say kana yakulani nitama used to eat food. That's the detail, right? Okay. So this is how you're going to translate. I hope it's clear. It's not hard, very easy. Just like regular Jumla Ismiya, it's not that hard. MashaAllah. Let me see if we have, oh yeah, we have more examples. And inshallah, these examples we are going to do in the live session. Okay. Coming on to the next topic of today's lesson. The next topic is negating sentences with kana wa akhwatuha. So again, the same way. Though kana sentences are considered Jumla Ismiya, they are negated the same way a Jumla failure is negated because they begin with a fail, right? So translation is, we translate the kana sentences as if these are Jumla failure, but we do the grammatical analysis regarding these sentences as Jumla Ismiya. So grammar, Nahw portion, when we do the analysis, we say it's a Jumla Ismiya, so it has Mubtada, Khabar, and Mutaliq bil Khabar. But when it comes to translation, or making the sentences negative or negating the sentences, then we regard as we do it as if these are Jumla failure. So if the meaning the meaning that is there in the sentence is in the past tense, right? If it is the meaning which is there is in the past tense, then we have two options. We can either go ma kana, ma with past tense, or lam yakun, lam with present tense lightest. Okay, so these are two options to make a sentence which has a meaning in the past. Okay, so two patterns, ma kana, lam yakun. Note that it may be easier to use ma for the time being. This is because many of the afal naqisa are irregular and do not display their jazm in a normal way. So yeah, ma kana, the ma with the past tense is easier to do that. Then to negate in the, if we want to negate in the present tense, the meaning of the sentence is that of present, right? So if we want to negate in the present, again, we have two options, la yakunu or ma yakunu, right? And then if there is a future tense, then the pattern is lan yakuna, lan with present tense light form, lan with, and with this lan, the meaning is pushed in the future tense, and there is an emphasis also. So both emphasis and the translation, the meaning is in the future, for the future. And one important thing, that all the huruf that can come with a normal fail can come with a fail in naqis also. So this includes the huruf jazma in lam lamma wal falli, or and huruf nasaba an lan likai hata, as well as qad sofa and this scene, which is her istiqbal, the future scene, right? So these can come with fail in naqis too, the same way. If you have any question, you can ask me in the live session. And for these negating, negation, we have these examples that inshallah we are going to do in live session. And I think with this, no, this is from another lesson. So with this, we are done with today's lesson. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we are going to cover some unique pattern with Kana. And with that, lesson 10 will be covered. And from lesson 55, inshallah, we are going to do the special surf. From lesson 55, we'll start doing a special surf, inshallah. So let's make a dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.